A vision board is one most of the effective tools towards achieving the prosperity you seek, and rightfully deserve, in your life, for it is visualization in its most literal form. Here's the recipe for making your own. The act of making a vision board is a creative, practical, and potent way to express an enthusiastic, yes please. It doesn't matter if this is your first wish or your 51st, you may always recommit your life to the path that leads to the fulfillment and success you so richly deserve. Utilizing a vision board to realize your goals. The book, The Secret, by Rhonda Byrne, and its subsequent film, popularized the practice of using vision boards to achieve one's goals in 2006. A vision board, also known as a dream board, is a collage of pictures and text that symbolize the kind of life you wish to lead. It's a physical manifestation of the future you imagine for yourself. You can do it by hand, like a bulletin board made of magazine clippings, or you can do it online, using a site like Pinterest. All that matters is that you make it yourself, no one else can do it for you, and that it gives you a sense of joy when you look at it. It may symbolize your goals for a certain phase of your life, such as your career, or your goals for the rest of your life as a whole. It's always effective. It's like how after buying a new car, you start to notice more and more examples of that certain model. That's because you've focused on something in particular and are now subconsciously looking for other examples of it around you. Actually, those automobiles have always been present. You just happen to have overlooked them before now. Making a vision board with pictures of your ideal trip, for example, might help bring the trip's energy into your consciousness by focusing your attention and emotions on those pictures. What was once a far-fetched fantasy can become a reality if you just keep focusing on the things you want and seeing them coming true. This is connected to the idea of affirmations of excellence. But watch out. Both good and bad things can happen as a result of the universe's reaction. Looking for evidence that you're having a bad day will only lead to more of the same annoying things. The proverb, "Energy goes where attention flows," wonderfully captures the concept that we attract more of what we focus on into our lives. To make your own effective vision board, just follow the instructions below. First, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to accomplish. Think about everything you want to be, do, and have in your life, and write it down or meditate on it. Daydream about your perfect job, partner, family, home, vehicle, neighborhood, physical appearance, and more. Better results will be achieved with greater specificity. It's important to be in the right frame of mind when creating your vision board, so lighting some candles and playing some excellent music will assist to set the atmosphere for contemplating your own objectives and the achievement you want to accomplish in life. Next, create some optimistic pictures. Look at pictures online, print off interesting ones, and clip out any text or phrases that catch your eye. Keep in mind that the items you choose to include on your vision board should be emblematic of what you do want, rather than what you don't. This is why using good old Google to find the precise picture or definition you need can be so helpful and precise. It's much more convenient to go online and print out a picture of a stack of money to use as a symbol of prosperity than it is to hope that one of your magazines would have such a picture. You'll need a bulletin board, poster board, or a number of pieces of paper, scissors, glue, or tape once you've gathered a collage of images and photographs that represent you to begin creating your creative visualization board. Side note, if you're not very crafty and would rather make a virtual vision board, sites like Pinterest and other social media platforms are excellent places to gather and showcase photos that inspire you. Next, use it on a daily basis. You should display your vision board prominently, such as on the inside of a closet door or the refrigerator, once you have completed it. If you want it to serve its purpose as a reminder of your goals and a source of motivation to keep working towards and, ultimately, achieving them, it needs to be in a location where you will see it frequently. It's easy to neglect a project if you make it and then tuck it away beneath your bed. But if you keep thinking about it and working toward it, you will achieve tangible outcomes. There are many who choose to create portable vision boards on a smaller scale. You can tape it to your notebook or insert it into your scheduler. Students can use the plastic cover of their 3-ring binder to store the document. If it's digital, you can set it as your computer's background image or your phone's wallpaper. Doing so will keep you enthusiastic and prompt you to put in time working toward your goals. Finally, the universe will take you by surprise. After you've honed in on your vision and created your board, all you have to do is look at it often and have faith that the opportunity to bring your dreams into reality will present themselves. Keep these mental pictures in sight frequently while affirming, yes. When doors of possibility open up, you must step through them. You can keep adding to it whenever you have something new to share. Your vision board should be a living, breathing depiction of your evolving wants and needs. In fact, experts advise making a new vision board every 6 to 12 months to keep it fresh, motivating, and reflective of your most recent values and goals. That being said, you should get to work. You can consider your vision board to be a work in progress. It doesn't have to be flawless. If you want to get the most out of your vision board, it's best not to compare it to anyone else's or pass judgment on the results. Enjoy yourself, be receptive, and watch what unfolds. It's possible that the cosmos will shock you.